Hello everyone, it's Joanne from XOXO Designs by Joanne, and I wanted to welcome you back to my channel. My goal, 10 under 10. You give me 10 minutes or less of your time, and I'll give you a project you can do for under $10. So let's jump right in. Okay. So the first thing we have to do is remove the saying that's on here. It says live in the moment. It was all scratched up. So I found the best way to remove these from, was with acetone. And you kind of have to just let it sit on there. So I'm going to open this up a little and just pour some on. Oops. Okay. All right. So spill some. All right, and then I'm going to use my scraper. And you could see, I don't know, let me zoom in here. If you could see this. How easily you could just scrape off the lettering. So definitely use the acetone and it will take this lettering off very easily. Okay, so let me continue to scrape this off and I will be right back. Okay, so it's all cleaned off. Now I am going to, let me zoom back out. Okay, I'm going to take my design and I will weed this. I thought this was a really nice saying that was in Design Space, and if you are a member and pay for the monthly membership, then you get this design included. You get a lot of designs obviously included in that monthly fee, and you get a discount also on the ones if you want to buy anything from them that's not included with your monthly membership fee. I believe it's 10% off, so that isn't bad. All right, so right now I'm just weeding out the centers of the letters that I do not need in my design. Okay. So my design says, once you become fearless, life becomes limitless. I think that's very inspirational and would look cute hanging on the wall. In your bedroom, in the living room, hallway, wherever. So right now I'm using my transfer tape. I bought this transfer tape at Expressions Vinyl, and I like it because it has the grid lines. So I like to line up the grid lines so I know that I'm straight. So I'm just going to line it up with my first set of words. Okay. And then cut off the excess. Then you use your scraper and you scrape all the words down so that they adhere to the tape. So I'm going to pull this back. And if you're having trouble, just keep scraping and pulling up gently. Making sure all your letters are coming up and sticking on the tape. I have a lot of extra transfer tape here, so I'm just going to trim it down to make it easier to work with. Alright, so I'm going to put this on my frame. I just want to make sure it is straight. Okay. I want to look for the center just so I can eyeball it where the center is. And so this is here. And I'm just going to eyeball it. So you place it down, and now you're going to use your scraper to transfer your design from the tape to your frame. Okay, and then you're just going to start peeling back the tape. Peel it back like this, gently. Don't lift and rip, you just want to peel it back, making sure all your vinyl lettering is staying. Now, since this is glass, you could have done the design by doing a reverse design and putting it on the back of the glass, or on the front the way I did it. So either way works for this, since it is glass and you can see through it. Okay, so here's the finished project. It is a little difficult to see because it's clear glass. Let me just put something up behind it. Let me make that easier to see. Okay, so I did buy this at the Target dollar spot, and I really loved the frame, but the design that was originally on it was scratched up, so I decided that I would remove that and put my own saying on it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe, and you'll be notified when I upload new content. So I'll see you next time for some more 10 under 10. Bye.